Hello guys, so today we will be painting a simple landscape. For the painting, I am using a 10" into 12" canvas pad. I have taped the borders so the color doesn't spread out in the outer areas, and also we get a crisp border after we remove the tape. I am using a mechanical pencil with a HB lid to draw the landscape. Once we are done with sketching, let's start painting process. First we will be painting the sky. For sky I am using a light pink color, which is a combination of white with a tinge of red. For sun, I am adding even more white color to the already created pink color to make it even lighter. Now let's paint the foreground, that is the mountains and the roads. For these elements of painting, I am using different tints of orange. It is a very simple painting, and if you are a beginner or you are someone who just wants to paint something easy, then this is a perfect painting for you. I will be leaving the link of the reference image that I have used in the description box. For the final step, which is completely option, I am adding a thin outline to the painting with brown color. In my opinion, this makes the painting look even more attractive. If you have watched the video till this point, then make sure you hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel for more such awesome videos. You can check out my other canvas paintings. I'll be providing the link in my description box.